Hello everyone, welcome to Study Teens. Today we're going to be doing some present continuous sentences. Our first sentence is I am eating. मैं खा रही हूँ. If you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं खा रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं खा रहा हूँ. Now for these sentences, you have to keep in mind whenever you have ing next to a verb, you're gonna be using these two words, rahi or raha. Alright? So I am not eating. मैं नहीं खा रही हूँ. So not means nahi. If you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं नहीं खा रही हूँ. Or if you're a boy, then you're gonna say मैं नहीं खा रहा हूँ. Am I eating now? This is a question, and a question starts with क्या. क्या मैं खा रही हूँ? Or क्या मैं खा रहा हूँ? क्या मैं खा रही हूँ? Or क्या मैं खा रहा हूँ? I am sleeping. Now this also has ing. So we're gonna be doing the sentence like मैं सो रही हूँ. If you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं सो रही हूँ. Sleep means so. मैं सो रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं सो रहा हूँ. मैं सो रहा हूँ. I am not sleeping. मैं नहीं सो रही हूँ. मैं नहीं सो रही हूँ for a girl and मैं नहीं सो रहा हूँ for a boy. Am I sleeping? क्या मैं सो रही हूँ? So whenever you have like am I, you're gonna say क्या मैं सो रही हूँ? And if you're a boy, you're gonna say क्या मैं सो रहा हूँ? I am watching TV. This also has an ing. If you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं TV देख रही हूँ. मैं TV देख रही हूँ. Now watch means देख. Alright, so मैं TV देख रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं TV देख रहा हूँ. Now try these sentences yourself. Pause the video and try to do it yourself. I hope you get the answers now. I am not watching TV. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा हूँ. मैं टीवी नहीं देख रहा हूँ. For a boy, and if you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं टीवी नहीं देख रही हूँ. Am I watching TV? क्या मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ? क्या मैं टीवी देख रहा हूँ? Or क्या मैं टीवी देख रही हूँ? I am drinking water. I'm going to do the first sentence for you and then you have to try to do the next two yourself, alright? I am drinking water. मैं पानी पी रही हूँ for a girl. Now drinking is pee, okay? मैं पानी पी रही हूँ. Water is पानी. मैं पानी पी रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ. Now try to do these sentences yourself. Pause the video and do it yourself. I hope you get the answers now. मैं पानी नहीं पी रहा हूँ और मैं पानी नहीं पी रही हूँ. क्या मैं पानी पी रही हूँ और क्या मैं पानी पी रहा हूँ? I am playing a game. मैं गेम खेल रही हूँ. For a girl, playing is खेल. Playing खेल. And for a boy, मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ. Pause the video and do these sentences yourself. I'm not playing a game. Am I playing a game? मैं गेम नहीं खेल रही हूँ और मैं गेम नहीं खेल रहा हूँ। क्या मैं गेम खेल रही हूँ और क्या मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ? I am reading a book. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. Now पढ़ is read. मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ. Try these sentences yourself. I am not reading a book. Am I reading a book? मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ और मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ. क्या मैं किताब पढ़ रहा हूँ? क्या मैं किताब पढ़ रही हूँ? I am eating fruit. मैं फल खा रही हूँ. Fruit is फल. फल. मैं फल खा रही हूँ. And if you're a boy, you're gonna say मैं फल खा रहा हूँ. I am not eating fruit. Am I eating fruit? Try these yourself. मैं फल नहीं खा रही हूँ और मैं फल खा रहा हूँ. I'm sorry, मैं फल नहीं खा रहा हूँ. क्या मैं फल खा रही हूँ और क्या मैं फल खा रहा हूँ? Ali is reading a book. Ali किताब पढ़ रहा है. Now, how do you know that you're gonna put raha hai over here? We know because Ali is a boy. We're talking about a boy, so that's why we're gonna use the word raha. Ali kitab पढ़ रहा है. Ali is not reading a book. Ali किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा है. Is Ali reading a book? क्या Ali किताब पढ़ रहा है? She is singing a song. Now we're talking about a girl, so we're gonna say वो गाना गा रही है. She is not singing a song. वो गाना नहीं गा रही है. Now singing is ga, okay? Singing ga. वो गाना नहीं गा रही है. And now song is गाना. Song गाना. Is she singing a song? क्या वो गाना गा रही है? She is ironing clothes. वो कपड़े इस्त्री कर रही है. Now clothes is कपड़े. Clothes कपड़े. And ironing इस्त्री. वो कपड़े इस्त्री कर रही है. He is working. वो काम कर रहा है. Work is काम. Work काम. He is working. वो काम कर रहा है. You are not doing your homework. तुम अपना काम नहीं कर रहे हो. तुम अपना काम your homework अपना काम नहीं कर रहे हो. They are playing football. वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. Play means kid. Now you might have a question in mind that why didn't we use the word raha hai or rahi hai over here? Well, the answer is we use rahe hai when we're talking about more than one person, right? So they means more than one person. They means many people. So the reason we're gonna say rahe hain. We are going to school. हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं. Now go in Urdu is जा. Alright, like go outside. जा. Right? हम स्कूल जा रहे हैं. They are listening to songs. वो गाने सुन रहे हैं. One song is गाना. Many songs गाने. Listening is sun. वो गाने सुन रहे हैं. Alright, it's not the word sun, it's सुन, वो गाने सुन रहे हैं. You are living in London. तुम लंदन में रह रहे हो. If it's a boy, you're gonna say रहे हो. तुम लंदन में रह रहे हो. Or if it's a girl, you're gonna say तुम लंदन में रह रही हो. Now you might have a question in mind that we are only talking about one person, you. Then why did we use the word rahe over here? Well, if you're talking to someone that's in front of you and that's a boy, then we're not going to use the word raha hai, alright? So when we're talking to a person that's in front of you and that person is a male, then you're gonna use the word rahe ho, alright? तुम लंदन में रह रहे हो. I am learning Urdu. मैं उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ. Now, when you're talking about yourself, you're not gonna say रहे, ठीक है? When you're talking about yourself, you're gonna use the word रहा. मैं उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ. Or if you're a girl, you're gonna say मैं उर्दू सीख रही हूँ. They are coming to your party. वो तुम्हारी पार्टी में आ रहे हैं. Your party, तुम्हारी पार्टी में. Coming means आ. Come, आ. Go, जा. When are you starting your new job? तुम अपनी जॉब कब शुरू कर रहे हो? When means कब, alright? And start means shuru. Now in this sentence we also have a you over here, alright? And if we're talking to a male, then we're gonna say rahe ho. Tum apni job kab shuru kar rahe ho. And if it was a girl, you would have said tum apni job kab shuru kar rahi ho, alright? Now you might have a question in mind that your job should be tumhari job. So why did I write apni job over here? The answer is, when we look at the sentence, the first word tum already tells us that who are we talking to. Tum refers to the person that's in front of us, right? So we've already told that who are we talking to. You don't have to say it again. So if you say tum tumhari job kab shuru kar rahe ho, that would sound awkward. Alright, so you're not gonna repeat it. You're not gonna repeat tum tumhari. So that would be like repetition. Alright, so in the start of a sentence, once you have told that which person you're talking to, you don't have to tell again. Alright, so तुम अपनी job कब शुरू कर रहे हो? They are speaking too loudly. वो बहुत ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं. Too means बहुत. Loudly, ऊंचा. वो बहुत ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं. And speak is बोल. वो बहुत ऊंचा बोल रहे हैं. Now, these are the few sentences that I would like you to try yourself. They are not playing football. Are you living in London? We are not going to school. Am I learning Urdu? They are not listening to songs. Are they coming to the party? She is ironing clothes. Are they speaking too loudly? He is working. Is he working? I would like you to write all of these answers in the comment box, and if you get any difficulty, do tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching the video. If you get any difficulty for this topic or you want a video on another topic, please suggest and share your doubts in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep learning. Thank you.